Hi, I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft. And this is where we make things with a CNC machine. Lasers, plasma cutters, routers. If you are interested in starting a business with a CNC machine, or you have a business and you're trying to make it grow, you're probably having some challenges. Well, I'm having the same thing. And I have looked for groups of CNCers who are actively in the entrepreneurial space in like a forum or memberships where they get together and mastermind. And there's nothing out there. I've looked for Facebook groups that like entrepreneurs. There's nothing out there. So I have created an entrepreneur group called CNC Entrepreneurs Facebook group. It is on, the link is down below to join that group. As of this video, it is brand new. So what is November 2020? However, this is a group that's going to be geared toward collaborating, helping each other with our businesses, collaborating with our equipment so we can help each other with our expanding ideas, where I don't have a laser right now. So I have actually hired someone to cut a bunch of things for me. And I am now selling them on Etsy. And I'm getting ready to market on Facebook and YouTube. That never would have happened if I didn't start digging for people who could help me with my business. But this is this group that I'm forming, this Facebook group, is really geared, like I said, to help us grow in our business. But I'm going to take it to the next level. And at the beginning of the year of 2021, I'm getting a lot of attention towards creating a membership of Mastermind, where we meet once or twice a week and we bounce our ideas off of each other of what we're trying to do with our business and get advice from other people what we can do to help our businesses start to grow exponentially, as opposed to us really just kind of trying to make it on our own. We are solopreneurs, and getting into this field, this industry, can be a challenge like any business. But making money with a CNC machine, any CNC machine, is entirely possible. And I am actually starting to do it. And I've only had my machine for about 2 months. And that's some of the stuff that I want to share with other people of what I've done, so that you can get your business growing, and the techniques that I'm using to generate interest all the way around, and just make things happen, and finding the resources. So if you are interested in starting a business with your CNC machine, whatever kind of machine it is, then sign up to that Facebook group. You may want to subscribe, because I'm going to start talking about this a lot. And give me a like if this is something that interests you, because I am going to use these likes. I always use the likes as a gauge of whether I'm putting out good content of interest to other people, if the stuff that I'm doing is helping people, if just that's my gauge. And put a comment down. Tell me you're interested. I want to know if there's interest. And I mean, you'll show your interest if you sign up to the group. So this is all about us solo CNC entrepreneurs teaming together and creating real businesses that support our lifestyles, and so we don't have to work in jobs anymore. Because most people don't like working in jobs anymore. All right, this is Garrett. Comment, thumbs up, sign up for that Facebook group, and I will talk to you very soon.